Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily change the layout of your application on CapCut PC. So for instance, you have two monitors and you want to edit on both. To basically change that, you're just going to select this, and for instance you want the media first to be on your main screen. I think it's going to be on your left screen. Sorry, it's going to be on the other screen. You can't see it right now because I don't think I can show you, but as you can see, I'm moving the media back to the place that's here. If you want to it to be your player first, it's going to again move to the left side of your screen, and I can move it back by just dragging it here, or you can like simply just drag the, actually it's easier, yeah, you can like drag the timeline and like place it on the left side if you wanted to, or you can use the first method that I did. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.